Welcome back again. For those who are watching me for the first time, my name is Dan Junior FX, okay? And please, before I start, subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's push at least up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this week, okay? For those who are willing to join DNJ Academy, my number are on my bio. Just call that number, talk with my director, and he will guide you how to join DNJ Academy. Remember, DNJ Academy, we only charge $120, and remember, if you don't have all money, you can start with a installment of $60 and then you finish your payment after 2 to 3 weeks of learning. Simple as that. Duration is 6 months, okay? And after school, you will get a certificate from DNJ Academy. And today I'm going to teach you how to trade one of the most powerful and volatile pairs in the market, GBPJPY. But here is the truth most traders don't know, okay? You cannot trade GJ correctly looking at it alone, okay? So many traders lose money on GJ because they treat it like a normal pair, but GJ is totally different. It's moved based on the strength of the Japanese yen, okay? So instead of focusing on one chart, we focus on the entire yen moving using what we call it Japanese basket, okay? So what is the Japanese basket? Okay, Japanese basket, this simply means looking at a multiple yen pairs like USD, JPY, Euro, JPY, and also GJ, okay? So this helps us answer one important question: is the yen strong or weak? So let's start with the Japanese yen. This is a Japanese yen. As you can see, on the year 2024, the price was moving upward, but finally the year 2025, the price break this external low of the year 2024. So overall, the price still is moving down, and let's see what is happening right now, okay? So as you can see here, my dear friends, and again, the price shows us that it's continue moving a downside, okay? So it's break again this equal low down there, and above here it will be our external high, and below here it will be our external low. But remember, we can't sell just blindly, okay? Because the market is moving down, we need to have a plan, okay? So above here we have this supply zone. So what I'm expecting at least institutional to push this price to come to this supply zone, and this is the area where we look another opportunity for a sale on JPY basket, okay? So let me move to 4 hours time frame and let's see what has happened on 4 hours time frame. What has happened here on 4 hours time frame? The price break this lower high and it changed character, okay? It changed market shift, okay? So after breaking this low high, after the price break this low high, it's pulled back to this zone. There's a little retracement around that zone, okay? And again came to this zone, and again finally break this equal high, and again after breaking this equal high, it came to this zone down here. As you can see, grab some liquidity down there. So what we're expecting right now, as I told you, we're expecting at least price to continue moving upward, and then this is the area where we look opportunity for a sale on Japanese yen basket. Remember, we can't sell blindly because the price is moving down, okay? So let's look at GJ and let's see what is happening on GJ. Remember what I told you, any pair against Japanese yen, it's a buy. When Japanese yen a sell, GJ is a buy. When Japanese yen buy GBP, it will be a sell, okay? So let's open GJ. These are GJ. As you can see, GJ price is moving upward for a long time. These are daily bias. We are using this daily bias, and above here it will be our external high, and below here it will be our external low. So the year 2026 GJ started moving upward, changed character here, came to this zone, fair value gap, and again a little bit it sell, but finally it came to this fair value gap down there, fill that gap, okay? After filling that gap, and again it started moving upward. As you can see, this was our expectation last week. we analyze that DJ will come to this order block. So these are order block, and now what we're expecting price to continue moving down, at least to come to this fair value gap around somewhere there. But let's move to a medium time frame and let's see what is happening on 4 hours time frame. Okay, so these are 4 hours time frame, and still DJ has already came to this supply zone on 4 hours time frame. Okay, but remember guys, we can't just sell blindly. We need to have more confirmation, okay, to enter this trade, because price might grab more liquidity above this high. But finally, as you can see here on previous, the price came to this zone, grabbed some liquidity, and again it started moving up, came to this fair value gap, grabbed some liquidity, and again it started moving upward. Remember, market must grab liquidity to move to your direction. Okay, so let's move also to 1 hour time frame, and let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame and what will happen on 1 hour time frame. Since the price has already touched my zone, I can't just sell blindly. So what I can see here, price has already grabbed liquidity above this equal high on 1 hour time frame, as you can see, my dear friends. Okay, so again, what I'm expecting, since I'm a SMC trader, I need to have more confirmation. So above here it will be my 1 hour equal high, and of course below here it will be my 1 hour swing low. Below here it will be my 1 hour swing low, and above here it will be my 1 hour swing high. Remember, I can't just enter a sell for a blindly, since the price has already grabbed liquidity. Okay, we can also say these are a market, these are breakout structure. Okay, so this will be, let's name it a breakout structure. Okay, so this is the breakout structure. Okay, of course below here it will be higher low. So what I want to see from tomorrow, I want to have more confirmation. So I want to see at least price to break this 1 hour swing low. After it break this 1 hour swing low, I will look for a retracement around this zone somewhere there, and again I will enter for a sale without any fear. Okay, so again, if the price tomorrow or during the Asian session it break this 1 hour swing low, I will mark this supply zone above this zone, and again I'll wait patiently price to come to my entry, and again I will enter a sell without any fear. Okay, so I'll enter my sell from this zone, and then I will target down there. So I will place my stop loss above here, because this will be my protected high. Okay, so I'll just place my stop loss above this high, and again I will target just down here. I move to a lower time frame, which is at 15 minutes. Okay, I will see where the price will grab liquidity, and then I will enter my sell without any fear. Let's look at USD JPY. As you can see, overall the price is moving upward. Okay, so what has happened here, the price break this high. So of course down here it will be my external low, and above here it will be my external high. So as you can see, price came to this zone. Okay, came to this demand zone, grab some liquidity below this zone. Okay, so these are lower low, it's grab some liquidity below these are lower low. Okay, but remember what I told you, we can't just enter just blindly. Okay, so what I'm expecting this price to continue coming to this zone. As you can see above here we have a OB, we have a order block, so I'm expecting at least this price to buy to this order block, and this is the area. Again, I will look another opportunity for a sale. I wish we entered from down there. Okay, then we place our stop loss below our zone, and then we target above here. Okay, so when the price come to this zone, of course I will look another opportunity for a sale. And since USD JPY is moving upward, so I can't enter a buy from above here because I'm already late. Okay, so what I need to do, finally the price has already change character, it has already shifted, as you can see, because it break this internal lower high. Okay, so these are internal change of character, and as you can see down there again, the price has already grabbed some liquidity below this lower low. Okay, remember what I told you, price must grab liquidity to move to your location, to move to your direction. So what I want to see here, I want to see a retracement, a little pullback, so around because this is where the price break, so I want to see price to retrace, to come down around somewhere there. So this is the area. Again, I will enter my new entry. Okay, if it will come back, well and fine. So this area I will enter my entry, and then I will target this supply zone above there. Simple as that. Thank you very much for watching this video up to the end. And again, if you are facing trading challenges, I welcome you to join DNJ Academy. I only charge $120, but remember, if you don't have all money, you can start with a installment of $60, and then you finish your payment after 2 to 3 weeks of learning. After schooling, you'll get a certified certificate from DNJ Academy. Welcome anytime. Remember, when you refer someone to join DNJ Academy, you'll get a commission of 20%, and also you only pay $60 fees to join DNJ Academy. Welcome anytime, and have a blessed night.